वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्य श्यामलां मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्.
Good morning, St. Marys. Once again, glorious Independence Day that we celebrate today, 15th August 2020. 15th August, right? But 2020, what is there to celebrate this year? Everything seems to be going a topsy-turvy. Everything seems to be on a roller coaster ride. No, children, this is the year of learning. Nature is teaching us the values, the virtues of valuing things, valuing relationship, valuing nature, respecting the bonds, respecting every need of the hour. Today, India is an emerging superpower. Could we think about it 10 years ago? But 10 years from hence, I can see when India on 15th August 2030 will celebrate Indian Independence Day, the world will celebrate with it. Yes, children, we look forward to that India, digital India, truly, independent India, truly, in the true sense. As Rabindranath Tagore had rightly said, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. Where shackles of all the bonds are broken, we all emerge into free education, free life, valuable life. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day, and you children, we look forward to you to take our country to that zenith. Happy Independence Day.
Dad, I'm feeling bored. Do you want to play chess with me?
Yeah, of course. Let's play.
Okay, let me arrange the pieces. Hey Pratik, let's go to the terrace. Can't you see I'm playing chess? You can play it later on, but now you have to come with me to a terrace for the flag hosting. All the children have already arrived. Flag hosting? Why? You don't know what is the date today? 15th August. Acha, you really don't know what happened on 15th August? No. My brother, on 15th August, in the year 1947, our country got freedom from the British rule, and today is our Independence Day. The Britishers ruled our country for more than 100 years. Our brave freedom fighters gave them a tough fight. Most of them sacrificed their lives, and due to this sacrifice, we are now enjoying this freedom. Who were those freedom fighters, Didi? They were great people. We should take their names with great respect. They were Mangal Pandey, Bhagat Singh, Jhansi Ki Rani, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, and many more.
She is absolutely right. On 15th August 1947, our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, hosted the tricolor on Red Fort in New Delhi. Since then, every year on 15th August, we celebrate Independence Day. On this day, we do cultural activity, flag hosting and parade. Our independence is priceless, and nowadays our soldiers are guarding the borders to protect the nation. We must celebrate this day with great enthusiasm to keep the spirit of the patriotism high.
Yes, India is a country with various traditional and culture. The cultural heritage of our country makes us feel proud of our country. This day also motivates us to bind with each other without thinking of which religion, community, caste, creed or culture we belong to. Devi, why only soldiers? I would like to add, the coronavirus outbreak has brought the world to a standstill. All of us are fighting the COVID-19 in the best way we can. However, in this pandemic, the medical community including doctors, nurses and medical staff are working day and night. Not only this, our teachers and non-teaching staff are also doing their best to educate us despite a global pandemic. So I would like to thank them all for guide us, support us in innovative ways to reach the students and great achievement. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
A very warm welcome to everyone present. Today, we Saint Marians are celebrating the Indian Independence Day virtually. I, Snail Prasad, and my friend Monu Dubey and Rishabh Sharma will be delivering a speech on this auspicious day about how India progressed during all these years since independence. India is the world's largest democracy. India attained its independence from British rule on 15 August 1947 after a long and difficult freedom struggle. We all know about our freedom fighters who dedicated their lives for the emancipation of our Mother India. On this auspicious day, we celebrate this day with full of enthusiasm to show our reverence to all the martyrs. From the day of independence till today, India's course of development through various fields is remarkable and prodigious. Since 1947, during the course at time, there is no doubt that India has made tremendous progress after independence. The Constitution of India gave every adult the right to vote, and even India took a democratic leap by conducting its first general election in 1951. At the time of independence, most of the Indian people were suffering from bad conditions. There was a widespread illiteracy and child mortality was high. There was shortage of food grains and famines were common. Many people died due to this. But now, India is better than before. India has came over all this and many villages are now electrified.
The advent of Green Revolution during the 1960s was the game changer for the country. It saw the adoption of modern technologies and methods to produce high-yield seed that significantly raise agricultural productivity and food production. Science has enriched itself through the discovery of Asia's first nucleus reactor, that is Apsara, in 1956. Afterward, one by one, through the conduction of nuclear tests like Pokhran 1 and Pokhran 2, India created history. Its successful launch, Chandrayaan 1 and Chandrayaan 2, and again ensures that India is the best. There was a medical revolution too. Child mortality has been reduced and lifespan has been increased. There are cures even for those diseases which were not incurable during previous times like TB, cholera and heart troubles, etc. Education has become a fundamental right to all the children. To combat the changing socio-economic need for the country, Government of India announced a national policy on education in 1986. Universalization for primary education, vocationalization for secondary education, and specialization for higher education were the main features of this policy.
The education of Indian women have however developed since independence. Development of women education in India have reached its peak after 90s. India has now a number of scholars, female teachers, nurses, doctors, social workers and so on. At 74, India has come a long way. From the country the British exited in 1947 and which they believed and hoped would not survive in its then form. India since evolved into a vibrant constitutional democracy and made rapid strides in several domains. Starting from 1947 to 2020, India has achieved a great height in political forefront. As the latest achievement, India gets Rafale fighter jets from France, boosting its air force. Rafale fighters recently touched down at the Ambala Air Force Station in Haryana, India. Over the last 7 decades, India has emerged towards becoming a global power to fulfill it. However, in this competitive world, to march further, a nation requires the power of science and technology to be counted among the best. It is here that we can contribute. The youth of our nation has the power to change the country. Therefore, let us take a pledge to stand united and fight together to take this country to the premier seat in the Committee of Nations. During the last pandemic 5 months, there are no words to say. It is just to feel and see. I am proud to be an Indian and sure to be you so. Jai Hind.
Where the mind is without fear by Rabindranath Tagore. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Where knowledge is free. Where the world has not been broken up into fragments by the tireless efforts of men.
Where words come out from the depth of truth, where the currents of tireless striving originate and flow without hindrance all over.
Where the clear stream of reasons and thoughts has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of lowly habits and deeds. Where the valor is not divided in 100 different streams. Where all the deeds, emotions are blissfully given by you.
My Father, strike the sleeping India without mercy, so that she may awaken into such a heaven.
मारे या कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है. ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं, खुद पे हमें नाज है. जाने ना हमको ये जमाना, चाहो तो हमको आजमाना. यार बात हम जान साज, हम इश्क बात दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले. छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर चीज छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले. दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले. दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले. यूं तो सीधे बड़े, कभी चाहे तो हाथों से लेते लकीरें चुरा. ओ हमको परवाह नहीं, जो भी कहता है कहने दे, जग ये भला या बुरा. जैसी भी मर्जी हो हमारी, करते हैं ऐसी होशियारी. पर दिल से यार जो ले पुकार तो जान निसार कर डाले. कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छू लेते दिल के तार से
शत्रु ये अदृश्य है, विनाश इसका लक्ष्य है, कर न भूल तू जरा भी ना फिसल। मत निकल मत निकल मत निकल, रुला रखा है विश्व को, रुला रखा है विश्व को, फूक कर बड़ा कदम जरा संभल। मत निकल मत निकल मत निकल, मत निकल मत निकल मत निकल, उठा जो एक गलत कदम कितनों का घुटेगा दम। तेरी जरा सी भूल से देश जाएगा दहल। मत निकल मत निकल मत निकल, मत निकल मत निकल मत निकल, संतुलित व्यवहार कर, बंतु की वाड़ कर, घर में बैठ, इतना भी तू ना मचल। मत निकल मत निकल मत निकल।
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है। सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है, भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है। हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है। ये जो देश है तेरा, स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा। ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता। ये जो देश है तेरा, स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा। ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता।
बार बार हाँ बोलो यार हाँ, अपनी जीत हो उनकी हार, हाँ बार बार हाँ बोलो यार, हाँ अपनी जीत हो उनकी हार, हाँ कोई हमसे जीत न पावे, चले चलो चले चलो मिट जावे जो टकरावे, चले चलो चले चलो भले घोर अंधेरा छावे, चले चलो मिट जावे जो टकरावे, चले चलो बार बार हाँ बोलो यार, हाँ अपनी जीत हो उनकी हार, हाँ
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू, 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 देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू। है गुजरने वाली हवा जरा मेरा इतना काम करेगी क्या, मेरे गाँव जा मेरे दोस्तों को सलाम दे। ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन, दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया, ये मेरा इंडिया आई लव माई इंडिया, ये मेरा इंडिया आई लव माई इंडिया।
हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी, अपनी छतरी तुमको दे दे कभी जो बरसे पानी, कभी नए पैकेट में बेचे तुमको चीज पुरानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी।
धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला, धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला, हर मौसम रंगीला, ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा। दिल दिया है जा भी देंगे, ऐ वतन तेरे लिए, हर करम अपना करेंगे, हर करम अपना करेंगे, है वतन तेरे लिए, दिल दिया है जा भी देंगे, है वतन तेरे लिए। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तां हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलस्तां हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा, सारे जहां से अच्छा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्रविड़ कलवंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय